In the next few minutes, you'll understand why $100 saved 10 years ago buys less than $60 of stuff today, and why almost nobody explains this correctly. Picture the exact same grocery basket. Bread, milk, eggs, coffee. 10 years ago, it cost you $40. Today, the same basket costs almost $70. Your income might have gone up a little, but not nearly enough to keep up. This is inflation, and it isn't just a number on the news. It's the reason your paycheck feels smaller every single year, even when the number on it keeps growing. So what actually causes it? There are two forces, and almost no one separates them clearly. The first is demand pull. When people have more money to spend than there are goods available, prices get pulled upward. More dollars chasing the same amount of stuff. The second is cost push. When the cost of producing things rises, fuel, materials, wages, companies pass that cost straight to you, the customer. Both forces are happening at the same time, almost always, which is why prices rarely go back down. They just keep climbing. Now here's the part almost nobody explains. Where does all that extra money come from in the first place? Central banks. When a central bank creates new money to fund government spending or to stimulate a slowing economy, that new money doesn't create new goods. It just means more dollars are competing for the same limited supply of everything. More money, same stuff, higher prices. That's the whole mechanism in one sentence. This is why your rent went up, why your grocery bill went up, why your car payment went up, all at nearly the same time. One root cause, three different bills. And it explains why saving cash under your mattress is quietly losing you money every single year, even if the number never changes. If prices rise 3% a year, the same dollar buys 3% less every year, compounding. So what actually protects you from this? Not spending less, not just working harder. Owning assets that rise in value alongside prices, stocks, real estate, a business, instead of holding cash that slowly shrinks. Inflation isn't random. It isn't a mystery. It's math applied to money itself. And once you see the mechanism, the news stops feeling confusing and starts making sense. If this helped you make sense of your own bills, subscribe for more of these breakdowns on money, markets, and management. See you in the next one.